If you're spending more than 6 figures a month on outdated manual accounting tasks, what's your ROI on inefficiency? Hi, I'm Shiv Patel. I'm CEO and co-founder of Cratoflow, and this is my co-founder, Anand Murugan. For many banks and credit unions, it's not hypothetical, it's reality. Institutions can lose up to 7% EBITDA on fragmented, manual, outdated tasks. That's money going into hours of spreadsheet work, hunting for errors across siloed systems, and uploading payments into bank portals. For CFOs, they're not short on effort. They're actually short on time, visibility, and automation. They're trying to do more with less while still ensuring compliance, accuracy, visibility, and integrity across all their complex internal systems. Many CFOs and controllers come to me every day saying that they're managing multiple inboxes, taking Excel data and still entering it into their accounting software, and still hunting for errors across all their fragmented systems. Not too long ago, a credit union approached me, overwhelmed with the idea of reconciling thousands of transactions through all their core systems, payment platforms, and GLs without one cohesive platform to work off of. With Cratoflow, our AI-powered platform, we were able to help streamline them by integrating to all their core systems through real-time APIs. The result, days of work collapsed into minutes, ready for audit accuracy. So we're not just automating transactions, we're actually transforming the office of the CFO. Let me show you how. Now, as you can see, our platform is split up into 3 different modules. We have the accounts payable side, which is document processing. We have the revenue side, and we have reconciliations. But to begin with, it all starts with the integrations piece. So we're actually, think of us as a data warehouse. We're taking all of your core data from your financial institution, from your ERP, and any other third-party applications you guys have, and we're centralizing it in our platform. So now that you see that the data is coming into the platform, we can talk about reconciliations. So the institutions are connected, and you can actually select any two sets of data that you'd like to bring into the system. For this example, we're going to choose the bank statement, so transactions flowing in from your bank, and the other side are transactions flowing in directly from your accounting system. Our system learns through AI the patterns, depending on how the data is, and once it acknowledges the patterns, it will match the transactions and leave you with variances. So here you can see that you're left with 3 transactions. You can actually create journal entries that correspond to this and post them directly into the platform. Okay, so this isn't the only challenge. Obviously, we still have the document processing side. Our system can actually take any document and parse it, but for this example, we're actually going to take an invoice and upload it into the system. We can also set you up with emails to forward it directly from your inbox. So once the system receives a document, it'll process it, and it'll actually also just immediately know that it's waiting for approval in somebody's inbox. As you can see up at the top, you'll see the approve, reject, and then all the purple stars are indicating the AI fields that it's pulling in, so from the document. And at the bottom, you can see the GL coding. Now, if this had like 15 lines of data, it's going to pick up all 15 lines, and you can also segment it based on your internal structure. Okay. So once this is actually posted to the accounting system, it will so once you approve it, it's posted directly to your accounting system, and now it's readily available for payment. We actually have a multi-entity structure set up in our system. So let's say you had over 200 entities. You can actually segregate those in our system and then pay by entity. So connect financial institutions that way and then separate the payments out and pay them accordingly. It is a direct transmission, and so we do ACH directly from your organization's bank account to the vendor's bank account. So in addition, we also have the revenue side. And the revenue piece, we as you may have noticed, there was a bill back portion on the invoicing section. So if you have received a vendor invoice and you need to bill back your customer, you can just select the customer from the drop-down. It'll automatically create an invoice for you with the payment link so you can collect on that invoice. So now that you have your deposits, your bank deposits coming in, you have all your invoices, we can actually reconcile between your open invoices and the deposits. So as you see, all the green on this is showing you exactly where the open invoices have been matched to this deposit. Once it's applied, it'll flow directly into your accounting system. So as you can see, our platform eliminates the need for traditional ways of integrating, right? And it also eliminates the needs for you to hire developers. And it also reduces infrastructure costs. So if you are a bank or credit union or a financial platform still relying on outdated manual tasks and paying over 6 figures a month, that's not the real cost for you. The real cost is actually the opportunity that you have to scale, lead, and modernize. So we'd be really happy to show you more. Please come by our booth. Thank you.